This video will show how to create a loop with units that cannot be auto-addressed, and auto-addressed units, combined. We will add a grizzle to the loop. Then, on the same loop, units with isolators will be auto-addressed. Units without isolators and without bases must be set to an address above 128. The wireless base station must have address 144, 161, 178, or 195. All units with isolators must have default address before starting the auto-address function. For a unit without isolator and without base, we must set the address manually. Connect all units to the COM loop when the address has been set. Log on. Select the loop and select the auto-address function. Start the wizard. Press Continue to auto-address units with isolators. The auto-addressing is completed. Since we don't want to auto-address units without isolators, press Skip. Press Continue to run check loop. The check loop procedure will retrieve the serial numbers of the units to the control unit. It will also add units, with manually set addresses, graphically to the loop. The check loop procedure is completed. Press Create SSD. Press OK. Let's expand the tree view to see the units. Select the Loop Unit tab to view the added units in a list. Remember to configure the units, and manually set the correct presentation number for new alarm points. Save the project, and download the SSD to the control unit. Thank you for watching.